when we go into these little delis or these little like health food shops, a lot of them have like little bottles of little power boosters. Not that we're gonna get healthy overnight with one of these boosters, but it makes us feel good. They're very, very expensive. So I think I'm going to show you how to make your own. I made some last night, and I'm just going to quickly go over one that I did today, and then I'll go on to the cauliflower. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some lemons in the blender, whole lemons with the skin and all, ginger, skin as well, and some fresh turmeric. We're going to put that in the blender and we're going to blend it up. So as you see, it's like made it into like a little like paste. And then we're going to get an ice cube tray and we're going to make some little power boosts. But let me show you what I did yesterday. Now, we can have you can see we have ice cubes. You can either make this into a shot or you can make it into a tea. So I'm going to do both. You can add olive. If it's a shot, you can add olive oil. If you do a tea, I think you would prefer just to not do the olive oil in it. Put the hot water. Now, some people strain this. I don't strain it. I don't think you need to. I just drink the whole thing. Okay, you can put like a lemon on the top, and this just a tiny bit for your shot. So there's your tea. I've got some honey lemon, and then there's for your shot. Let that melt down. And them expensive little things in the shop, you make yourself, and you can have one a day whenever you want. All right. Okay, so now we're going to do roasted cauliflower. This is a really simple recipe, but it's really good. So I'm going to put, I've got some olive oil here. I'm going to put some cauliflower in the olive oil. Then I'm going to do some salt and pepper. All right. And we're going to mix it up. Get it all over there. And you can even drizzle a little bit more if you feel like you need it. We're going to put this in a baking sheet and we're going to roast it so it's got like golden brown. And we're talking about a lot of salt and pepper on things. So we want to use plenty of fresh herbs. So we're going to roast that. And once that's roasted, you'll see the end one in a minute. But once that's roasted, we're going to put, as soon as it comes out the oven, you can either put a drizzle of olive oil on it again, squeeze fresh lemon on it and bring all the flavors together. And we're going to add feta cheese and mint and chopped up mint. Here's our end result. So we have our roasted cauli with fresh mint, lemon, and feta cheese. Sprinkle a little feta on there. There's our shot. We're going to down that. And there's our tea. You see the little bits after it's melted, you're going to get that. If you want to strain it because you don't like the little bits, that's fine. I don't care. I'll drink it down. It's all good stuff. The water of the week this week is cucumber and mint.